Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Aquarius. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, hey, Aquarius. If Aquarius is your sun sign and you missed your annual birthday reading, it's not too late to benefit from a reading of your solar return birthday chart. It tells you all about the year to come and how to handle it for best results. You'll find a link for that in the description below. Well, I want to start with career. And you have this Scorpio midheaven, Aquarius, which is so interesting, I think, because Aquarius types can be very social and personable when you meet them, but there's this side that comes out at work that can be more like almost mysterious and controlling. And there's a very interesting transit, which is Pluto moving into your sign, Aquarius. You've heard us talk about it. You've probably heard the buzz all over the internet about it. And as Pluto moves into your own sign and your first house, there's this way that you'll find yourself wanting to really embody and project the magnetism and the mystery that's inherent in that Scorpio midheaven of yours. You're going to want to kind of wrap that mantle of mysterious authority around yourself and wear it in your everyday life. Now, also, there's going to be a really powerful eclipse coming on March 25th. It's a lunar eclipse in early Libra. It's going to connect with that Pluto of yours, and this is going to bring you some penetrating insights, which might nonetheless come from an emotional outburst. So watch out for that. Maybe a case of foot in mouth disease, having feelings and then they get really big and they spill over. And there are some growth opportunities that can come from it, but also you might want to, just watch how you express what you're feeling on that day. So that's March 25th, something to look out for. Julia, what's up with money and relationships for those Aquarians out there?
There's so much going on with finance in you, Aquarius. I mean, we have so much planetary activity happening in your second house of money. A whole new moon is taking place there on March 9th, between March 9th and 10th. So new moons bring new beginnings, new cycles. There is this new financial cycle coming in your life. And as the second house fills up with more planets, we've got Sun, Venus, Mars coming into this house this month. There's just a lot of focus on working on your finances, being driven because Mars is in there to work on your finances, and maybe even having a little bit of luck on working on your finances because Venus is in there too. So Saturn has been in this house since about March of last year, and he's in here for a couple of years. Saturn usually tests the weak areas in our life and shows us where we need to sort of fortify something in our life, where he's there to kind of teach us lessons about it. So as Saturn is in this house, you might have to learn some hard lessons around money and also maintaining your stuff, like your car or your collectibles and things that are all ruled by the second. But I think Venus coming in, especially conjoining Saturn around March 21st, is really going to give you a little extra support in that lesson that you are learning, that multi-year lesson there. And then I do have a few things to say about relationships. We've got the relationship planet Venus in the first house through March 11th. So first third of the month is a really good time if you're single and you want to meet somebody new. Venus in the first gives you a little bit extra charm and even enhances your own attractiveness. So that obviously really helps when you're going out on dates or updating your online dating profile in some way, taking new pictures. Now your seventh house is ruled by Leo, that sign of the sun. And we have the sun traveling through your second house again, because there's so many people in there, so many planets, till about March 19th. So that means that the focus for you, if you're in a committed relationship already, will be on shared finance, like how you guys are handling possessions together, as well as how you're handling money together too. I think that'll be a big focus for you this month. Well, that's all for today. If you had fun with this horoscope, then please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.